Hey everybody, Zach Terlier with the TNT team of Remax Real Estate Central, and today I'm extremely excited to tell you about two of our newest listings here in Renfrew. And if you don't already know, Renfrew is an amazing inner city community that's about 2 minutes away from downtown, so a fantastic location. And over on my right, I have a modern contemporary home, and on my left, I have a traditional classic home, which I think both lend themselves very well to the heritage and history here in Renfrew. So let's head on inside and have a look. So there you have it, two amazing properties, unique in their own ways in the fantastic community of Renfrew. I encourage you to come down and check them out for yourself. We'll be hosting an open house this Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4. Be sure you don't miss out.